Okay, this is a video to show. This is a video to show how it works, the TV with the remote. We only need to use the remote for the TV. This is synchronized already with the Fire Stick. So you search for a movie. Let me get out of there. You search for a movie with the arrows, up, down. Let's say you pick the movie that you want. Okay, you press OK, and you start playing the movie. Once the movie's playing, and let's say you want to stop it, you don't go the arrow. What you do is you go exit, and if you want to go back again, you go exit again, and then you search for a new movie. You go exit again, and then you go, every time you go exit, it goes back to one step. So now you have the search. You can go home. You go to the home button, and then when you turn it off, just turn it off from here. Okay, turn it on, turn it on from there. And then from here you can search. You can either go to Netflix, or I like Pluto TV, because on Pluto TV you have all these channels, hundreds, like 400 or 500 channels of different stuff, and it's organized. And there's also a catalog that we have here for Pluto TV. You see all the channels that you can get. Okay, you got there from news to movies, and that's it for this TV.